Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Turn Python scripts into standalone apps by bundling them with an executable builder. This method uses PyInstaller to produce a single-file executable for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Prepare your code by pinning dependencies and requirements. TXT and testing in a virtualenv. Include data files and manifest settings explicitly to avoid missing resource errors at runtime. Check the entry point script and set the correct shebang and encoding headers. Now learn the exact build command and optimization flags in the next slide. Install PyInstaller version 5, 10, or later in your virtualenv using pip install pinstaller == 5, 10. Run pinstaller one file name my app add data assets entry. Py to build a single executable. Use windowed for GUI apps and console for terminal programs to control the runtime interface. Strip symbols and enable UPX compression with strip and upstire when file size matters. Test executables on target OS versions and check antivirus false positives before distribution. Create OS installers using nsys for Windows, pkg build for Mac OS, and create a repo for Linux packages. Sign executables with an Apple Developer ID or code signing certificate to prevent security warnings. Host updates on a server and implement version checks with a JSON manifest and Delta patches and client notifications. Document install steps, system requirements like Python 3. 11. And provide a one-page troubleshooting guide. Offer a portable zip of the executable for advanced users who prefer manual installation and testing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.